So good evening, dear student. Uh, this is again for the National Children's Science Congress 2020-2023. This is the fifth video, and we are going to discuss about the fourth sub-theme, that is ecosystem based approach or approaches for self-reliance. Ecosystem, this word is the main focal theme, is not it? So I have told many times about the ecosystem in the previous videos. So ecosystem based approaches for self-reliance. Ecosystem based approach, the approaches, the work, or our day-to-day life or daily activities, whatever we do, which is based on ecosystem for self-reliance. Self-reliance means satisfaction, self-satisfaction. To fulfill our demands, fulfill our need, fulfill our desire, that is self-reliance. And to fulfill this kind of things, our need, our desire, in what ways we are depend on ecosystem. This is the main focal theme or sub-theme of the this is the main meaning of this sub-theme, or which is ecosystem based approach for self-reliance. So dear all, what are the focal areas, in which areas we can work for this sub-theme? These are: number one, ecosystem based approach in farm based practices. Farm based practices. Suppose any farm, any garden, or any poultry, or any kind of agricultural farm if you have, then in the farm based practices, what are there, which is ecosystem based approach. Okay, people are earning monies, people earning their livelihood through these ecosystem based approaches in these kind of areas like agricultural farms. Second is ecosystem based approach in human settlement, development and planning. No need to explain, you have to understand, you understood very clearly. In architecture, in drainage planning, in disaster risk reduction, reduction of disaster risk. Disaster means the natural disaster like flood, and landslide. Okay, so drought, these are called disaster. And what are the, and how we are protect from the disaster through ecosystem based approaches. Suppose the area is, if it is a grassland or if it is a forest area, the level or the flood level is decreased or very less, or we can say soil erosion or landslide. These activities are also very less if there are trees in such places. If the area is open, okay, this kind of area is affected by flood, landslide, soil erosion, this kind of disasters. So we understand we are directly depend on ecosystem this kind of ecosystem, forest ecosystem, so like that. Then climate change adaptation and resilience development, this also you have understood. Industrial planning, next is tourism, recreation and hospitality management, then water management. These are the main study area or focal areas where we can study. So what are the ideas? Project ideas are given. Let us see. Study of dependency of a village on the nearby forest. Basically, in the Arunachal Pradesh or in the hill stations, if peoples are living nearby the forest, you see the people, those who are living nearby the forest or in the forest, they directly depend to that particular forest. They get everything from the forest. They get firewood from the forest. They hunt. They depend directly with the animal of the forest for the meat and all. They get different kind of food items like different fruits, vegetables, etc. These peoples are directly depend to the forest to make houses or huts by bringing the wood, or we can say bamboos, from the forest. These are the different activities we have observed. We have seen that people are depend to the forest, directly depend to the forest, and they are continuing their existence, or we can say their life. Second is documentation of a wild animals from different habitat in the surrounding area. That is also ecosystem based approach for self-reliance. As I told just now, these two things are almost similar. In the second topic or idea, it is given that what are the edibles, means food material we collect from the nearby areas, wild edibles like different fruits, okay, different vegetables, leaf, okay. So this kind of thing, what are the things we collect? The wild, okay, not domestic, it should be wild. We collect and we eat. These are the edibles. Then assessment of current scenario of different natural resources in the surrounding area of your school. Current scenarios, what kind of scenarios are there? One assessment you can do about the natural resources in the surrounding of your school. What the natural resources are there? A comparison study also you can do. Management of solid waste in urban areas. Reduce segregation, collection, transportation, resource recovery and disposal. We know about this very much. Mainly saying about the plastic, means non-degradable things, non-decomposable, the things which are not decomposed. About these things, here it is saying that how to reduce, reuse, recover, like that. Mainly plastic. The study of impact of traditional agriculture on water harvesting system, saying about the irrigation. So these all about the fourth sub theme. Many are there, like the study of propagation technique of different wild edibles, how they propagate from one place to another, right? Many history we know that some plant are growing in a place, particular place. Again, after some years, the same plant is found in different place again. So how they transfer or how they propagate from one place to another. Okay. Study of vulnerable degraded resources area in the surrounding. What are the local? Okay, local resources that about the study. Instead of restoration practices. Restoration practices, how they restore the things of degraded ecosystem. The study of different man-made habitat like gardens and other open spaces and their role in the urban areas. Okay, and this all understood. The study of aquatic flora to reduce water pollution. What are the role of the water and living plant to reduce the water pollution? So like that many are there. The study of diversity of bird. Okay, the role of agriculture. The study of mushroom cultivation. Okay, study of beekeeping and its maintain the ecosystem, how they maintain ecosystem. These all things we have to study. We have documentation of food preservation practices in the crisis period. So like that. So these are the actually, if you go through these all kind of we can say ideas, then you can get a very good ideas. Yeah, what kind of work we have to do for this sub theme. So accordingly we can go right. Again, uh, many are there, right? Terrace cultivation in hilly areas. Terrace cultivation. It's not zoom cultivation. Terrace cultivation is again different. Okay, means in the terrace itself, people use it is a slope. So people they restore the water there itself by blocking the road by giving the walls like okay. So and they do the farming there. So this is called terrace cultivation. It's not a zoom cultivation. So study of after effect of the flash flood, storms, landslide, etc. What kind, how how people manage. Okay, study of multi-purpose tree species in the locality. Okay, multi-purpose tree species, multi-purpose like many are there. Uh, Same tree give vegetables also. The leaf uses vegetable. The fruit uses fruits, right? uh, Again their stem, again their whole body uses wood, isn't it? This is called multi-purpose trees. So this kind also. Now bamboo, if you see bamboo shoot uses vegetable. Okay, bamboo shoot, again bamboo is used for multi-purpose work like different works like wood also, and to make fencing, to make different with different bamboo containers. So different works are there. This is a multi-purpose work of the tree uh, in the locality. Many are there, right? Okay, we have to find out, and we have to make a list, and we have to do the survey and study, and we can make very beautiful project on it. So uh, this was only the student. I hope some hint. Okay, uh, don't think that same to same some idea I will tell and you will do this. No, not like that exactly. I'm just giving a hint for you. I'm just giving an idea to you that by taking this kind of ideas, you uh, you go and you create your own idea, and you work on that particular ideas, and you make one best project. If you need any project idea, how to do, what to do, then you can comment, or you can text, you just share your problem to me. I'll try to solve your problem as much as I can. Okay, so This much only. If you like the channel and all, you kindly like and subscribe and kindly share to your friends also, because many students actually they cannot find the right platform. They search here and there, but if they see this video, at least some idea they will get what to do. That only they will, they something they will get. So this was only. Thank you.